Ever wondered which VR headset truly delivers the best bang for your buck, or the ultimate immersive experience? Today we're diving deep into a head-to-head tech comparison of the top 3 VR headsets over £100, perfect for both seasoned tech enthusiasts and curious newcomers. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to upgrade your VR setup or step into virtual reality for the first time, choosing the right headset is crucial. We'll break down the specs, features, and trade-offs to help you decide. Kicking things off, the Meta Quest 2 remains a global bestseller for good reason. Despite being a few years old, it offers unparalleled accessibility and value, making it ideal for VR newcomers. Pros: it's completely wireless, requiring no PC or external sensors. Just put it on and play. Unlike PC tethered options, you get instant access to the vast Meta Quest store, packed with hundreds of games and apps. Its 1832 by 1920 per eye resolution and Snapdragon XR2 chip deliver solid performance for most standalone VR experiences. Priced around £299, it's arguably the best entry point into VR. Cons: the build quality, particularly the straps, feels less premium compared to its rivals. Graphics aren't cutting edge. It can't match the visual fidelity of PC-powered headsets. Plus, a Meta account is mandatory for use. If you're new to VR or want a no-fuss system for gaming and fitness, the Quest 2 is still a fantastic option. It prioritizes ease of use over raw graphical power. At number 2, we have the Pico 4 Ultra, a rising competitor from ByteDance. Pico aims to challenge Meta directly, offering a compelling alternative in the standalone VR space. Pros: like the Quest 2, it's wireless but boasts a significantly higher resolution of 2160 by 2160 per eye. This delivers noticeably sharper visuals than the Quest 2. Its balanced design, with the battery at the back, offers superior comfort for longer sessions. Crucially, it supports Steam VR via PC connection, giving you access to a huge range of PC-based games. Unlike Meta, no specific social media account is required. Cons: the software library isn't as rich or mature as Meta's, with some major titles missing or delayed. Developer support is still growing, meaning fewer exclusive apps. Customer support and accessories can also be harder to find outside of Asia. For those seeking more visual clarity and freedom from Meta's ecosystem, the Pico 4 Ultra is a serious contender, priced around £529. It offers a middle ground between standalone convenience and enhanced visuals. Finally, at number 3, we have the Htc Vive Pro 2. This is a high-end PC VR headset designed for serious gamers, simulation fans, and professional use. Pros: the Vive Pro 2 delivers an incredible 5K resolution 2448 by 2448 per eye, making it one of the sharpest consumer VR experiences available. It supports a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate, unlike the lower rates of standalone headsets. With Steam VR tracking, you get extremely accurate motion tracking, perfect for competitive VR gaming. It's compatible with a wide range of accessories, offering unparalleled expandability. Cons: the price is a major hurdle. The full kit can exceed £1,000, significantly more than the Quest or Pico. It demands a powerful gaming PC, so it's not plug-and-play. Setup involves external base stations and cables, making it less convenient for casual users. The Vive Pro 2 isn't for everyone, but if you want the best VR visuals and performance money can buy, and you've got a beastly PC to back it up, this one's hard to beat. It prioritizes fidelity over simplicity. So which one's right for you? If you want affordable, wireless freedom and a huge game library, the Meta Quest 2 is your go-to. If you're after sharper visuals and comfort without locking into Meta, check out the Pico 4 Ultra. And if you're a hardcore PC gamer or VR professional, and don't mind the price, the Htc Vive Pro 2 delivers top-tier performance. Let me know in the comments which one you'd pick, or if you're already using one of these, share your experience. If you found this tech comparison helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss future VR breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.